Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to see 99-cent price on nails. While in today's time, this lockdown period, this corona time, it's super difficult to get an appointment in nail salons. So I have a solution for you just for 99 cents. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video to see how to use these 99-cent nails and how do they perform. Are they good enough? Let's see. So first let me show you. These are the press-on nails that I'm wearing right now. You can see it looks really nice and professional. It looks like I've gone to a nail salon to get a professional nails. It's really nice. So now let's see which are the nails. So these are the nails. These are very versatile nails that you can get on Amazon, eBay, any online platform. I got them from Shoppe, which is a Malaysian online platform, but you can literally get them anywhere. Any online platform have this one for this price, literally. So you can see I have a lot more even, but these are stuff that I have unused because other stuffs have already take it out. So this is how you get them actually. You don't get them in proper sets. Like I do have some in proper sets like this, and then I have some rhinestones one as well, but these are little expensive. I think the rhinestone one is around 10 ringgit and this one is around 4 or 5, but these are 99-cent nails except this one because I just wanted to show you guys. So I had this one. This is so pretty. This is like a chrome nails. This is around 4 ringgit, I guess. So, well, let's keep it aside because that's 4 ringgit. We're going to talk about 99 cents only. So these are all my 99 cents nails. So I have different types over here as well. So before we get into the video to see how I actually apply these press-on nails, I'm going to give you a little insights into these nails because there are different types of nails and the quality is also different. So just listen to this first before you get into the steps. There are matte nails and glossy nails available. These are like matte nails and these are glossy nails. You can see a little shine. So I hope you can see these are matte and these are glossy nails. I'm just showing one as an example over here. Okay, and they also come in different shapes. This one is coffin nails. So not too much coffin type, but coffin nails. And the one that I'm wearing right now is also coffin nails. And this one is slightly curved nails. I don't know exactly the term, but these are shorter compared to the nails that I'm wearing right now. And you have pointed nails. So as what I have found it in this 99-cent nails, pointed, coffin and slightly curved. It's not coffin, slightly curved, but it's shorter nail. So these three types with matte or glossy versions. And let me tell you this, the matte nails are at least 20% rigid, extra rigid compared to the glossy ones. They are way more flexible. The glossy nails are really flexible. I think, wait, let me show you. It just bends really easily. I hope you can see. Like it just gets bent really easily. So if you just wanted to use this for some events and stuff, then I would recommend you these glossy nails just to wear, because I would wear this just for videos and stuff, so that'll be okay, no problem. But if you think you wanted to wear them for a few days, then I would not really recommend you this one because you cannot do much stuffs wearing this one because they're not as strong as the matte ones. The matte ones are really strong. It's really strong. I can peel off so many stuffs with it. Like it's really strong. So I really like the matte ones. So I would really recommend you to buy the matte ones. For the 99 cents, I couldn't complain even for the glossy ones. But since I can get a really good quality for the 99 cent in the matte ones, so I would really recommend you the matte ones. So that's the nail. Next, we're going to see how to stick your nails to your nails. How to stick the press-on nails to your nails. Well, I have this glue and this is a sticker, nail sticker, and I have been using this one for all my press-on nails. Guys, listen, I've tried these nail glues, this proper, like this nail polish glues, but they just don't work for me. If I wear them, maximum that I've got them in my hand was only for a day, otherwise my nail will be like chipped off. So maximum I've got only for a day, and with this sticker, for 1 week. Even they're like really strong sometimes, but I'll be removing them in like 5 or 6 days after like wearing them, because I wanted to change nails. But I could really wear them for a week. And if you really want the strongest grip, then I think for 5 days they have like really strong grip. So I would highly recommend you using this one, because it's really easy to apply as well as to remove as well. And those nail glues, I don't know, maybe if you have some great recommendation, then let me know in the comment box below, but it just don't work for me, so I couldn't recommend you those glues. But I would really recommend you this nail sticker. It's super easy to apply, it's super easy to remove as well. So if you just wanted to apply some nails for some event, this is great guys, because you can just apply this sticker, wear your nails, and you can just go to your event, come back and remove it super easily. Well, sometimes even if it's like super strong glue, it is difficult to remove them off. You need acetone to remove them, and that could damage your press-ons. And let me also tell you, these press-ons are reusable. That means as long as your press-ons are not damaged, you can reuse them. So just imagine 99 cents and you can reuse your nails. That's such a good deal, and I've been using this for quite some time now. I'm really loving this. So these are the main stuffs, your nails and your nail sticker. So now let's get into the video to see how to actually apply these press-on nails to make them last long, at least for a week. And I'm going to show you how to actually use these nails over here and apply them on my nails to make them to last long. And the first thing you have to do is cut your nails. That is very important, to cut your nails as short as possible, because otherwise it's going to show off while you're wearing a press-on nails. Okay, now you can see my nails are nice and short. Now I'm going to file my nails. For that, I'm just going to use a mini filer. You can use any filer that you have. You can also use filer at the back of your nail cutter. So this method would make sure that your press-on nails adhere really strong to your original nails. You know, because the texture is rough, so it will adhere really nice and strong. So once I've filed them off, I'm just going to take an alcohol swab. You can just take anything, you can get them at any pharmacies. And I'm just going to wipe my nail off. This would make sure my nail is really nice and clean and there are no any oil particles on top of my nails. And this will definitely make my press-on nails to adhere in my real nail much more stronger, and it will be even more long lasting. And now for the glue, this is the glue that I'll be using. These are sticker glues. There are 24 pieces. There are different sizes. These are for one side of your nails and these are for the other side of your nails. You can choose according to the size of your particular nails. So they have a nice plastic cover. Just remove them off. And then just pick whichever nail size that you think would suit your particular nail. So I'm going to take this one. So now I'm adhering this sticker. So when you're sticking them, just make sure you go really nice to the end. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this pointer. You can take a cuticle remover and stuff like that and just move the cuticle back a little bit so that your press-on nails will adhere really nice and strong. Okay, so what I usually do is I'll stick all my stickers first and then I'll remove out these nails. So I'll stick on one sticker and I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove these nails. So first I'm going to test and see which size is perfect for my nail. So you have to check at the side whether your real nail are visible or not. If they are not visible, then they're good, nice, and just make sure over here it should be perfect size. It shouldn't be very big like this, or it shouldn't be like small like this. Okay, it should be perfect size, and I think this one is perfect. So it's very easy to remove. Just bend them once or twice like this and just rotate them, and that's it. You get your nails. So in this type of nails, you get a little white cast over here. So for that, you just need to file them up a little bit. I'm just going to take this nail filer and just file them a little bit so that they just look nice and straight. And that's all. That's it. The nail is perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to remove this sticker. You can see there is like a little longer part over here. Just grab over there and pull them. That's it, super easy. And then I'm going to take these nails, press at the back, pressing at the cuticle, bringing my cuticle back first, and then pushing the nails into my cuticles and then pressing them. So this will make sure my nails look like real nails, like they're coming off from inside of the cuticles. Okay, this will make them to look really nice, and when you apply your glue at the edge, it will make your nails even more long lasting. So I'm going to repeat the exact same step for all the other fingers. Same again, you just make sure, check your nails, check your nail size. So in this type particular nails, they have written their sizes over here, so you can check them. And that's how you apply this press on nails. It's super easy, guys. Just like that, in few minutes your press on nails are ready. You are ready for any event. Super easy. I use press on nails for all my videos, and even while going out. Well, now we cannot go out, but yeah, it's super easy to just change your nails just like that for photographs or even for your home. You want to look good, you want to feel yourself good. 99-cent nails. It makes me look super stylish. Yeah, and I hope you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.